So the third mistake is when we have desires and we have our efforts. So then we start doing our efforts on ourselves. Like we want to decorate and we want to make ourselves more appealing, more better in all aspects. So our work hard on our body instead of our heart. So this is something we started. See what is the efforts on our body that we want to look good. Our face, if it's dirty, we don't want to go outside, we don't want to talk to someone, but we don't think about that. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, when you do one sin, a dot, black dot appears on your heart, and eventually your heart gets darkened and hardened and getting sealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are not worried about that. We just know how to talk very sweet to people, how to present ourselves. We're trying to use the words, beautiful words for expression. So people should feel and people should get deceived from us that, we are a very gentle person, very nice person, and we just want to prove people. We are not worried about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is watching our heart. Allah is watching our heart. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, "Inna Allah la yanzuru ila ajsamikum wala ila suwarikum walakin yanzuru ila qulubikum wa amalikum." That means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not watching your face, your look, your appearance. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching your qulub, your hearts, how your hearts are, and accordingly how you much striving, your efforts, your amal that you are doing for hereafter with the full sincerity. This is something really desired. These days, unfortunately, people are even doing good amal, but they are for the show off. People are working in the masajid day and night, years and years, but unfortunately their goal is not to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are working for social purposes. They want to be famous in the community. They want to do something that people should appreciate. So whole efforts is like they are wasting.